Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about this tweet. Posted this picture and said rulers are the most underrated feature in Figma, and a picture of these red line or rulers in Figma, and it's aligned with all the icons and the text. So it's been a while since we used rulers in Figma, and I just want to post that. But some people had the comment like you don't need them when you use auto layout, and yeah, you don't need it when you use auto layout. And yeah, that's true. I've been not using rulers as much after auto layout, but it's still helpful in some cases, and I just want to talk about in which cases, because if you can see here, so we have this header and this list, right? And if I select all the this list text, and if I move them a little bit, if you see from here, it still feels aligned, it still feels optically aligned, and it's not that much difference. Even here, if you can see, it's basically like aligned, right? But it's not really aligned, and it's everything is in full auto layout. So this has 14 pixels and this has 14 pixels on the padding. For both of this has 14 pixels padding, so it's not easy to know when it's perfectly aligned, because if you can see over here, this icon is perfectly aligned with these rulers, and this icon is not, it's a little bit off. You can only see that if you use rulers. If you don't use rulers and you just created this, most of the time, even I would assume that it's okay, it's aligned, it's perfect, let's move on. That's what I assume. But after I use the rulers only, I'll know, okay, this is not aligned exactly in this point. If you're not using rulers, you have to calculate the distance between, okay, this is 14 and it should be 11 and things like that. You have to find the distance between this and then add it to here. But if you're using rulers, you can just add a ruler to whatever is here, and then you can match the list below with that ruler line. So rulers are still helpful, at least to me, to manage things like this when exact alignment optically is needed. So it's still in place. So if you can see all the text here, it's in place in this line. So yeah, things like this, it's easy to use rulers for this. Even including auto layout, rulers are helpful in this specific instance. So yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about today. Rulers are still helpful in auto layout, using auto layout. So yeah, follow me on Twitter for more takes like this. That's it for today. Bye bye.